Okay, now as we're identifying all these vaccines, I want you to look at the big picture on some of these and recognize a few things that the color codes stand for. Anytime you have a little vial like this and it has a white top, it's going to say sterile diluent. Now, this white top you can find in your mixed bordetella, okay? And you can also find a white top in your 5-in-1, okay? The white top always is sterile diluent, and that means there's no vaccine portion in that diluent. It's just a liquid to mix with the powder. So in this situation, all the vaccine or modified virus is in this vial and not the white. So the bordetella is all in here, and this is just liquid to mix the powder. And it comes that way so this stays fresh. It doesn't expire until you mix it, and then you have 20 minutes to use it. So a white vial signifies sterile diluent. So your 5-in-1 is your distemper parvo, the 5 things in this gray vial, and a sterile diluent. So a 6-in-1, what makes a 6-in-1 a 6-in-1? It's a 5-in-1 plus lepto. So here you have the same gray vials that the 5-in-1 has, but instead of having a sterile diluent, which is white, you have a gray cap, and that's lepto. So it's a 5-in-1 plus lepto equals a 6-in-1. So it makes sense that the 5-in-1 vials have the same color, but instead of a white sterile diluent color, you have gray, which stands for lepto. So your 6-in-1 is gray and darker gray, and your 5-in-1 is gray and white. Okay, so remember your overall color schemes. White is always sterile diluent. This color gray happens to be your distemper parvo section. This dark gray is lepto, and again over here 5-in-1 is distemper parvo, and the white is sterile diluent.